Why, hello there. Our hypothesis is that if we caramelize bananas and brown sugar as a control in the makings of Bananas Foster, then they will caramelize faster in terms of time and will taste better than bananas caramelized using Splenda, pure cane sugar, and an artificial liquid derivative of sugar. Hello. This is me unpeeling a banana. That's the ability to view the banana caramelization. Wow. Would you look at those there bananas? Brown sugar and cane sugar are primarily sucrose, whereas the two artificial sweeteners we used were primarily sucralose. As for our textbook quote, it relates to the hypothesis. And I quote, "The hypothesis can be tested by a series of experiments and controls that support or falsify the hypothesis, starting the cycle over again." And I end quote. Melting nicely, just a bit more melting to go. We're gonna shift that around the pan. Look, it's swimming like a Greek swimmer.
Okay. What?
Worry.
It's vanilla. It's in a teaspoon. I will totally send you money for everything that was here.
No, it's fine. It's Caribbean.
Yeah, it is. This is the nicest Caribbean rum in San Diego. Give us some time. Give us some time.
It smells amazing.
Yeah, Microsoft doing some cool shit.
We're gonna waft. Ooh.
That smells real nice. You think that's the rum or the brown sugar?
I think it is the brown sugar.
I agree. Let's put those bananas in. And then we'll start our timer and see how long this takes.
It's even coating.
Even coating of this brown sugar. Okay, so at this moment in time, the bananas have been cooking for an approximate total of 2 minutes and 25 seconds. They look nicely caramelized. They've been flipped, so 2 minutes and 20 seconds. That is our control time. So this is our first batch of brown sugar Bananas Foster. That looks delicious. We're going to try it.
Okay.
Okay, and here goes our taste tester, Gianna. What do we think?
Pretty banana-y, but pretty sweet too. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10.
Okay, how would you rate the caramelization?
Caramelization, 8.5 out of 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have a nice bubbling. Okay, so here we have the Splenda knockoff. Is it a knockoff? Is it?
Yes, it is.
Just yeah,
Definitely.
it's a Splenda knockoff.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Taste test from our technician. How are they?
Very different flavor.
Very different flavor.
I'm gonna test one more time.
So the brown sugar certainly has an effect on taste.
I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10.
A 7?
Less than the brown sugar, but
Does it
still.
taste like caramel or?
It tastes less caramely.
Less
Definitely
caramelly.
Caramely. Yeah.
Okay.
So.
And as you can see, the color compositions are quite different from the brown sugar and the knockoff Splenda. We're broke. I'm sorry, it was a knockoff. So here we have our cane sugar variation. So as you can see here, it is bubbling. It is actually dissolving. Okay, after about 12 minutes, to be fair, it's been 10 minutes and 48 seconds. We're finally seeing some browning as well as some further boiling from the concoction. These are finally ready. So again, 10 minutes, 45 seconds with cane sugar. Okay, so this is the cane sugar trial. Let's see the taste test.
I'm gonna give it a 7.5 out of 10.
It's the same as the Splenda knockoff.
No, I gave Splenda 7.
Okay. Okay.
little
And
bit better.
how about the caramelization?
Caramelization is subpar.
Subpar caramelization.
Yeah.
Cane sugar, Splenda knockoff in the middle, brown sugar. Brown sugar is currently the victor. Okay, we added stevia. We used about 1.5 tablespoons. Okay, and as you can see, this is now boiling. The reason why there is less of substance is because it was a more concentrated sugar application. Here come the bananas. Thank you, Jess. You are a lovely lab partner. Oh. Okay, this is taste trial number 4.
It's good, but it made the bananas kind of mushy.
Made the bananas mushy. Okay.
I'm gonna give it like a 5 out of 10.
A 5 out of 10
I
for
really
flavor.
don't like it.
Flavor 5 out of 10.
It's really bad.
That sucks.
It's really horrible.
Oh wait, so what's your real rating?
4 out of 10.
Okay. And what is the caramelization factor?
Probably
2.
2? So it's simply mushy.
Horrible. Cut.
You've seen the pain.
Cut.
You've seen her cut herself now.
So bad.
LOL. Alright,
Whatever you
Professor,
do.
on the real, that tasted like ass! Why did you put us up to that?
Don't use some liquid sweeteners. Not gonna do any good for bananas Foster, I'm telling you.
Or anything. Never use them. The reasons for why the brown sugar is superior in taste to the 2 artificial sweeteners is, for one instance, they were done sooner. They did not require being cooked for nearly as long, and as a result, much of their flavor was not cooked off. In addition, it was likely superior in taste to the pure cane sugar because the brown sugar contains molasses, very sweet, very rich, very flavorful, whereas cane sugar has no molasses whatsoever.